Hi folks, today's topic: how to study continuously without any distractions. Studying continuously without any distractions can be challenging, but here are some tips that may help. Create a dedicated study space. Find a quiet and comfortable place where you can concentrate and set it up with all the necessary study materials. Set a study schedule. Plan out your study schedule and stick to it. Break your study time into manageable chunks, and take breaks in between to refresh your mind. Use time management techniques. Use techniques like the Pomodoro technique, where you work for a set amount of time and then take a short break. This can help you stay focused and increase productivity. Eliminate distractions. Turn off your phone, log out of social media, and close any irrelevant tabs or apps on your computer. You can also use website blockers or apps that limit your access to distracting websites. Stay organized. Keep your study area organized, and make a to-do list for each study session. This will help you stay focused and avoid getting overwhelmed. Use positive self-talk. Remind yourself of the benefits of studying and stay motivated. Focus on the progress you are making rather than the difficulties you may encounter. Remember, staying focused takes practice, so don't be too hard on yourself if you get distracted. Keep working at it, and you'll gradually improve your ability to concentrate for longer periods of time.